joining us here on 2K Sports for NBA basketball. Joined by Hall of Famer Grant Hill, NBA champion Steve Smith, and our reporter, Allie LaForce. This is Brian Anderson. Their first chance this season playing the Pelicans.
Not exactly the biggest game on the season schedule, but both teams are capable of flashing serious potential.
You know what? Every win counts in this league, and both of these teams want every victory they can get.
McCollum with it. Jackson in his pocket. The shot by Ingram, no good. Down low. Here's Bay. Shots blocked. And it goes out of bounds. Last touch by Valanciunas. And it's out of bounds to the Pistons as Detroit retains possession. Pass to Stewart. Over to the wing. To the middle. And finished off by Stewart.
One of the cases where height fails to tell you the whole story.
You know, Cade Cunningham has proven he can get it done on offense. Now check this out. Back in college, he racked up 13 points in just 91 seconds of play. And setting the tempo with an assertive move, like, where was the defense on that play?
No excuse. You have to be aware. He should be on your radar all the time.
With confidence and ability from long range, I love it. McCollum's able to space the floor and keep the defense honest.
Cunningham's ability to find points really is impressive, Grant. You hope he has as much success in the league as he did in college.
And yeah, B.A., with his pure shooting ability, I know he has what it takes. He just needs to put in the work and be ready to adapt to league play.
And that one's good. Stewart's gotten his second bucket.
A jack-of-all-trades, Jeremy Grant also has a strong feel for when his guys are uncovered.
And so he draws the foul, headed to the line to shoot a pair.
I mean, Zion hit the ground running when he first got into the league. He went from the first pick overall in 2019 to an all-star with no time flat.
Smitty, when you think about the rapid ascension of Zion Williamson, you also see his improvement clearly in his stat line.
That's right. He's taking and hitting more outside shots, playing with terrific physicality, and that will make your numbers go up across the line.
And so it's New Orleans with it after the Pistons picking up a basket just moments ago.
He's very long and slender frame, Brandon Ingram, but very effective at attacking the rim.
Grant goes back up, and he was fouled while in the act of shooting, so he'll take 2 free throws.
Heady play to stop that easy layup right there. I mean, make him earn it at the line.
And Grant, for the super teams that are managing their stars' minutes right now, it seems like home court advantage is less of a priority than being fresh for the postseason.
You know what, B.A.? It really does seem that way. It's like you'd rather play with a stacked hand on someone else's table than play with a weaker hand at home. Championship teams know how to win on the road. The most important thing is being healthy and being together as a group going into the postseason.
And for some reason, he decided to foul there.
Yeah, B.A., that's an odd move. Maybe there's something else behind it.
Substitution.
First quarter of basketball, just over 2.5 minutes played so far. The drive by Ingram. And a slam dunk by Ingram.
Look how Ingram just bursts inside, disrupting the D and carving out a path to the dunk.
Oh, that was nasty. A two-hand mega slam.
And I don't think anyone was going to stop him there. And it's the Pelicans with the ball after the Pistons picking up a basket just moments ago.
That's how you set the table, and everybody gets to eat.
On the take. Hey, how's that for an answer? Right back with the dunk.
NBA, if you let him, he will do damage.
No resistance, you pay.
Well, the defense has to feel real embarrassed right now. They totally got schooled on that highlight reel play.
And the Pelicans making a change here. And we're approaching about 3.5 minutes played in this first quarter. Pass to Grant. Bay outside. There's Jackson with the three. And again, the Pistons missing.
Defensively, it's hard to account for everything. They gambled off him, and it worked.
Deflected. Inside. And finished off by Stewart.
NBA, the one-hand dunk just looks so fluid.
And absolutely, even smooth when he's powering it home like that.
A great job to establish position and square up.
First team foul. Checking in for
The Pistons leading. Bagley sets a screen. Grant outside. From downtown. Second chance effort. And Bagley with the lay-in.
And their offensive game plan is clear. Get it inside and go to work.
Offensive board. Hernan Gomez. So it'll be 2 free throws. He was fouled in the act of shooting. It'll be on Marvin Bagley. And he knocks down the first one.
At the line for the Pelicans.
And that one goes in. 2 from the line that time. Detroit with the ball. Pass to Bagley. And he takes it in for the layup off a very nice feed.
And once more this half, they find a way to get great position inside.
Ball stolen. Just 2 seconds between the shot clock and the game clock. Oh, the big finish by Bagley.
What a two-way play. Just tremendous.
Yeah, the steal was slick. The slam topped it off.
Turning defense into offense. Every coach talks about it. Perfect example right there.
To the paint. Pass to Lee. Second chance shot. And rejected. Isaiah Stewart, he's feeling it tonight and has been the driving force for the Detroit Pistons. 8 points in the quarter, showing how effective he can be.
It's your Pistons mascot.
Hope you've enjoyed the broadcast so far. Halfway through the first half in this one. And guys, let's get your take on the scoring breakdown for the Pistons.
They've gotten a lot of high-quality shots in the paint early on. That was clearly part of their game plan coming in.
Also, their passing has been terrific in the first half. They'll be happy with all those assists.
Delivering as much punishment as he receives. Zion is a scary sight coming at you.
That shot missing. Nice D from Nance. The Pelicans trail.
And looking at Marvin Bagley, the talent is evident. A big man that can go out and get you a double-double any night. Plays with just an infectious energy, too.
To the inside. Bagley. Oh, the big finish by Bagley.
And after putting it down, he dangles from the rim a little.
Man, that's borderline taunting right there, Grant. They're playing with a certain swagger right now. It's scooped up.
And their free throws have dropped off in this quarter. They're settling for too many jump shots right now.
Here's Olynyk. Picked it. Here's McCollum. Boy, that foul looked intentional. Not exactly what you'd expect here.
Yeah, I know. It just doesn't make sense given the situation.
First team foul.
You don't want to stop the clock right there. I'm not quite sure what he was thinking.
Out to the right wing. McCollum on the wing. Here we go, one-on-one.
Pelicans foul.